You're stuck, you're trapped in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. You're not alone. Millions are in the same boat, drowning in debt, stressed about money, and wondering why they can't seem to get ahead. You know deep down why you're broke. It's because you've been making the same financial mistakes over and over again. You're overspending, undersaving, and living paycheck to paycheck. You're missing out on opportunities to build wealth and live the life you truly desire. Look at your friends and family. They're out there living their best lives, traveling the world, buying houses, starting businesses, and you're still here, struggling to make ends meet. You're not like them, and it's not because you're not smart or capable. It's because you're making bad financial decisions. You're missing out on opportunities to invest in your future. You're not learning new skills that could earn you six figures. You're not disciplined with your money, and you're not thinking long term. It's time to wake up and take control of your financial future. You can start by changing your mindset. You need to believe that you deserve wealth and abundance. You need to stop making excuses and start taking action. You need to invest in yourself and your future. Start by building high-income skills. Learn how to code, start a blog, or become a digital marketer. The opportunities are endless, but you need to take the first step. You need to save and invest your money wisely. Open a high-yield savings account, invest in the stock market, or start a side hustle. You need to be disciplined with your money and stop living paycheck to paycheck. You need to think long-term and plan for your future. You need to stop making excuses and start taking action. You can do this. You can build wealth and live the life you truly desire, but it starts with you. It starts with making a decision to take control of your financial future. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies on how to build wealth and live the life you truly desire. And don't forget to check out our sponsors' links in the description. They can help you take the first step toward financial freedom by making money online and start the journey to earning millions in the next 6 months or less, depending on how much you are willing to hustle. You got this. Let's do this together.